Greetings, we are from Satyanand Public School and our team name is Vision Bharat. Our theme is Atmanirbhar Bharat and we have made this project on the topic Blue Economy Smart Hub. So the problem that we observed in coastal areas, people face economic instability. So also they practice unsustainable pisciculture practices. So to overcome these problems, we made this project which will include ecological garden, solar powered energy generation, tidal energy generation and automated fisheries. The power generated by the tidal turbine and solar panels will be used in fisheries, and the residue coming out from the fisheries will be used in ecological gardens as the compost. Thank you.